Welcome to Carrick, a little historic town in Tasmania. First settled in 1818. The town was surveyed in 1838 and allotments were sold. The town was formed due to the flour mills in the area. Come along with us as we explore this 19th century village and check out some of the architecture. Behind me is the blacksmith's cottage, which was built around 1840. The blacksmith here actually worked for Carrick House across the road, and the first water well was actually found on this site.
Behind me we have the Carrick House. Not too much of it remains really, because the original structure was overbuilt in about the 1900s. Now the original structure dates back to about the 1840s and it's of Georgian architectural style. And the little porch veranda that you see was actually added on even later again. I think the front fence here was actually put on in the 70s, but the house is actually associated with racehorse owners over the period.
Archer's Folly, built by John Kinder Archer in 1847. The walls were made of stone rubble and brick quoins projecting from the sides. The roof was triple gables and was to have a domed driveway through the centre. The building work had to be abandoned when the ship carrying furnishings and materials sank off Adelaide. Thomas Monds bought the building in 1867 and used it as a grain store. It was restored by Mr. Merrick Marrick, a talented copper artist, to showcase his work. However, it was destroyed by fire in April 1978. One of the most imposing buildings in Carrick is the Roller Mill, built in 1846. It was then leased to John Kinder Archer before it was sold in 1870 to Mr. T.W. Monds. During its heyday, the mill produced flour, bran, split peas and pearl barley. The mill was to continue in operation for 56 years before closing down its doors in 1924. Was built circa 1844 and extended in 1850. An unusual feature is the offset centre front window on the top floor. This property was used as a shop, mortuary and store. We've come to the last stop of the day, St Andrew's Anglican Church. Quite a significant building. There's some great architecture in this town to discover and check out. There's a leaflet, a heritage leaflet walk that you can do. Just pick it up at the service station or from the post office here at Carrick and get on your Shanks pony and discover a little bit of Tasmania's history. Anyway, that's all from me and I will see you on our next adventure. Bye folks.